दिव्यांग विद्यार्थ्यांक शाळांत प्रवेश ना दिवपी शाळांच्या व्यवस्थापनेचेर सरकार खर कारवाय करतले अशी माहिती समाज कल्याण खात्याचे मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय हांणी दिल्या। तशेंच सरकारी बिल्डिंग आनी शाळांनी दिव्यांग व्यक्ती खातीर जाय आशिल्ल्यो गरजेच्यो सुविधा आसा काय ना ताचो नियाळ घेवपाक सरकारान सुरू केला अशी माहिती मंत्री फळदेसाय हांणी दिली।
When they report to this office, there is a state commissioner, we should come and lodge official complaint, then we will call all those people, we will give them what is required to be done from our side. If they need something to cope up with that, if they do not have such a kind of infrastructure within themselves, we will try to provide them. There could be various reasons for denying admissions. Let us say they have a classroom on top of the floor and they don't have a ramp or they don't have a lift. So in that case, if that is the problem, means admissions are denied for such genuine technical difficulties, we will come ahead, we will go there and we will find a solution to that. So if admissions are denied, only by discrimination, then we will take action against that. Sir, the audit will be done of all the government buildings and schools also in order to provide the infrastructure. This awareness has to go a long way because this has started now and most of the offices they were able to come out with these facilities.